Assalamualaikum Hafiz.
Eh, Waalaikumsalam Adi. Oh Adi, where did you just come from?
I just got back from Ayam Mall to buy some necessities and do a little shopping.
Oh, I see.
But I wonder why everyone shopping at Ayam Mall that has a bag are not put, while my bag are put on one side.
Let me give you example to solve it. For an example, as you can see, your work item is at one side. So you have to move your work items in the middle of the bag so it is parallel to your hand.
Oh, I see. I will try.
A few moments later.
Wow, how could this happen?
I'm also not sure about this.
Well, let's shed some light on the concept used in these situations.
First, let's look at the definition of moment. Moment is a measure of its tendency to cause body to rotate about a specific point of axis. The SI unit for moment is Newton meter. In the first situation, Harvey shows that the pivot of the hanger is situated here. This force for both sides is acting downward. The moment arm, which is R for both, is perpendicular to the weight force. So, both sides will only have a tendency to rotate. In this situation, the hanger is in equilibrium because the moment of both sides is the same.
Now, in Adib's case, one side of the bag is heavier than the other. As we look at the free body diagram, we can say that the bigger mass has a higher moment of force. This will cause the bag to rotate clockwise. So, we have a problem that needs fixing. By applying the concept we had just learned, we can stabilize the bag. When Adib arranges the items in the bag, it becomes stabilized. Thus, in this situation, there exists only a tendency to rotate. The W3 force doesn't have the tendency to rotate because the weight force is perpendicular to the pivot, resulting in R3 equals to 0. Based on the last free body diagram, the sum of moment is 0, which results in an equilibrium state. This is also the same for the first situation. This is because the moment on anti-clockwise is the same as the moment on clockwise. The moment on anti-clockwise can be written as R1 times W1, while the moment on clockwise is written as R2 times W2. Here, W is the weight force. Keep in mind that the moment will have value only with the condition that F must be perpendicular to the R and not with the pivot, as this will result in R to be 0. This is the case with W3 from before.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وترى الجبال تحسبها جامدة وهي تمر مر السحاب صنع الله الذي أتقن كل شيء إنه خبير بما تفعلون صدق الله العظيم. In this verse, we see that Allah has said, and you will see the mountain which you think to be firm passed by light clouds. We discover Allah says, human thinks that the mountain and the earth are static, and people do not understand this actually move. Because not only humans, but also mountains and even moving clouds with earth's movement.